Hello guys, it's Dio again with another video. So today I'm going to be testing my brush, my braid brush on Procreate. So this is a reference I got from Pinterest. So before that, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. So let's jump right into the video. So as we all know, braids are one of the most difficult and time-consuming hairstyle, which artists mostly complain about. So I thought of, since I'm also facing the same challenge of drawing every single hair over and over again, so I thought of creating my own brush sets for the braids. So this is actually the brush I created for my personal use. So I'm trying to see how I can improve some. There are some um problem with the brush because there are some things that it still can't do for me, but I'm trying to work on the brush settings. I'm trying to see how it's going to come out, but this is presently how the brush set works. So the brush set is having pressure sensitivity. So the more you apply pressure on your pen, on your Apple Pencil, or the more you apply pressure with your finger, it detects and also increases the size automatically. So the lesser the pressure, the lesser the size. So that's how the brush is. So as you can see, it's literally saving time. Instead of me to be drawing every single hair strand and cleaning and adjusting, all I need to do is just to drag and boom, it's going to be showing the hair strands and everything. So all I'm going to be doing is just to be cleaning some sides that are off and readjusting. That's all. So I'm going to, although it's still not doing exactly what I want, but I'm trying to see how I can improve on the brush I've made. And I've also made some brushes for curly hair and I think braids, curly hair, and also I think that those are the two brushes I've made so far. I've just made two brushes, so I'm trying to see if I can make so many brushes. You can also drop your like you can also drop comment down below on what kind of brush you would want me to create, so I'll make a video on it. So keep watching. That's how I use the brush. So we've come to the end of the video. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.